May tagkita. Sa tayo yun na.
Kung kita yun. Dili. Pwede kita nga po. Kurni kay Kajoy.
Today I wear my wow, the kind that's once a lifetime. I feel like on a high, like my tummy's filled with butterflies. I've been waiting for this day, a long wait but it's worthwhile. Can't wait to finally say only hello, no more goodbye. Open up the curtains, cause I'm walking down the aisle. I might be running cause I'm certain it's the beginning of the rest of our lives. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do.
Kasi maawa mo yung walang lumabas na ayos sa mga.
You know, when I first attended the wedding ceremony, I'm so amazed. When the girl walks down the aisle, and when they say, I do, kinikilig ako. Kaya bata pa lang ako, pinapractice ko na sa salamin, paano maglakad, and kung paano sasabihin yung word na I do. Kaya nga nauna pa ako kay Bishop kanina.
Today my best friend is gonna be my wife. Open up the curtains, cause I'm walking down the
Ano ba nasasabihin ko, mahal? Maraming salamat. Sobrang saya ko. Meron pa nakasulat na ano doon, na resibo nga. Hindi ko tinignan kung magkano. Yan, maraming salamat. Love you.
Abiding affection, the magical and compelling impulse that makes us seek each other's company, is among the greatest gift of human experience. It started with a kaba, tama ba yun? Tapos then paghanga, and then end with the decision to be with that person whom you know is a gift of God to you.
Don't get up.
Brush pa more!
Last me. I forgot. I wasn't listening. Forget all familiar things. Sun-soaked shores, lost in the evening rain. You're all I wanted, all I wanted. You're all I wanted, all I wanted. Don't get up. Never, please. Elegant. Safe place for me to
Ay, mahal, I hope you like this simple gift. Oh, this is something that we could use to share more memories together. I love you so much.
Oh, your husband! Mikko is bueno!
Napagpapakabuti ka nga. Okay. I love you. Love you.
So blessed to have you in my life.
I love you and I will always treasure how you and I both started and how we will go moving forward. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for making my life much more colorful and meaningful than before. We will have more adventures to come on. This is just the start. So get ready for the next battle.